Morning, my friends. I'm Live Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa here. And yes, another record warm day possible in spots. Yesterday, the record warmth was mostly in northern lower Michigan when temperatures made it into the 80s. I saw Alpena was at 85 degrees yesterday. And we will have, again, a lot of upper 70s, low 80s. What we have going on right now with temperature is that we have a lot of farmland, at least in southern lower Michigan. We have a lot of pavement too. The farmland is drying out. We haven't had a rain in a week, and it's dark. And so when that sun hits it, it heats us up quite nicely. So let's get into it. It's not going to last forever. I got to talk about Monday and Tuesday and snow, but it's a relatively short-lived thing because after that, the temperatures pop up, not to where we're at now, but to normal levels, which gets you 55 to 65 degree range. And a lot of folks like that. So get ready for some just really nice spring weather on the way. Hey, Dennis Steele, good morning. Macomb and Diane Mooney, good morning to you. All right, so we're going to look at what's happening here now. We go through the day today, and we are just like yesterday, except without the 50-mile-an-hour wind or whatever it was. It was pretty strong, 40-mile-an-hour gusts. I would say we'll have gusts to maybe 20 or 25 today, but it's already starting off a lot calmer this morning than it was yesterday at this time. And then we go into Friday, and oh, yeah, it's a work skipper Friday. Definitely a work skipper Friday. Boy, my throat is scratchy. I don't know if I'll be able to do my Facebook Live. Oh, I sprained my fingers. Can't type on the computer. Yeah, no, I'll be here. I'll be here, but you do the work skipper Friday. Okay. Now this is Saturday right here. We'll take a closer look. Saturday looks mostly dry. The storm will slow down a touch, and it comes in on Sunday, and it still has the cold air behind it. It's wrapping around, and by Monday, it will look and feel like winter once again. Monday into Tuesday, basically, and then that cold pocket works off, and right away we start to go to warmer temperatures, and in fact warmer than what it looked like yesterday as we got into the end of next week, with a dying storm system in the middle part of the country, not affecting us a whole lot. Hey, Rossi Fafelsky from Kentwood, good morning to you. Good morning, Saginaw. Kim Fobier. And good morning, Kalamazoo. Work skipper. Yes, that's right. All right, so here's a little closer of a look. So this is Saturday afternoon, 2 o'clock. Saturday evening, 8 o'clock. Overnight, Sunday night. This is Sunday, 2 p.m. in the afternoon. That's why I say on Sunday we'll start to turn showery. This is Sunday evening, definitely very showery. And this is Monday morning. Yeesh. We may have to watch for a little bit more snow than what we bargained for. I'm going to show you a snowfall forecast map here in just a moment. And I'm leaning toward the one that shows the lower end because I do believe there will be some melting. I do believe that these models overdo snow forecasting at this time of the year. But by the same token, it's certainly possible. But it's relatively short-lived. I would say it will be gone by Wednesday. So here's Monday night snow showers, and here's Tuesday morning snow showers. And by Tuesday evening, it's done but cold. And by Wednesday, it's just a memory, and we're taking back off with spring weather. And as we go out to Friday of next week and Saturday, you're looking at not a lot of precipitation. Okay, here it is. I'm going to use the European ensemble mode of snow forecasting. And it says 2 to 4 inches in it says 2 to 4 inches. Let me get you back here so I can see you. Okay, there we are. northwest lower Michigan. It says an inch in other places. Remember, though, the ground will have warmed. So what will happen here is if we get a vigorous spurt of snow, say on Monday, and you see the grass kind of disappear, soon as that spurt stops, the warmth will take over and take that snow away really quickly. So yeah, I guess what I want you to know about here is the UP, you could have more accumulating snow, northwest lower accumulating snow, rest of lower, we could see some snow and a very, very transient type of accumulation. Today's highs, whoa, upper 70s to low 80s, pretty much everywhere, except right along the water. Friday, nice. 78, 77, light wind, sunshine. Saturday, nice too, in the 70s to near 80. Sunday now has gone to temperatures still in the 70s. Remember, the colder air was bisecting lower Michigan in the forecast the last few days. So it's slowed down just a touch, but then hasn't really done much as far as warming back up on Monday. So Monday still looks like a cold day with temperatures, I would say, in the low 40s probably. And then Tuesday in the low 40s. Then Wednesday back to, upper 40s to mid 50s, northeast to southwest. Next Thursday back to the low 60s. Next Friday in the 60s. Next Saturday in the 60s, maybe where you could get rain, maybe in the 50s. But point being is 2-day chill and then pretty nice weather after that. For those of you that want to know how much precipitation in this deal, another soaker, northwest lower, 1 to 2 inches. The rest of lower Michigan, probably at least a half inch to a lot of places an inch, maybe some places creeping just over an inch. Now let's look out in the extended and the 6 to 10 day forecast, starting to reflect that the cold spell that we have coming is going to be just a couple of day blip, because the 6 to 10 day forecast, valid April 18th to 22nd next week, is for normal temperatures, below normal precip. 8 to 14 day forecast, 20th to 26th of April, is for normal temperatures, below normal precipitation. So, the cold that I'm talking about, 2 days, get some chili or some chicken noodle soup or turkey soup lined up for yourself for Monday into Tuesday, and then we jump right back onto the spring train. Thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Have yourselves a great Thursday already.